Hello and welcome back to MBBS Council. Being a non-resident Indian, I would say it's lucky. Because we are eligible to take seats not only in All India Counselling, but also in most of the state counselling. However, the tuition fees are quite high. To get a list of best colleges to fill up choices, in both All India Counselling and State Counselling, we can use the ranker menu. When we open it, at first it shows an option to select any state. You can select any one if you like. And then you have to select the rank option which is given as first. It further opens up another select option, in which we have to select NRI rank. Now it shows the best college to study medicine, if we are a non-resident Indian. Colleges like AIIMS New Delhi, Indira Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru and many others are waiting for you. So I am leaving now. See you in the next video.